The card is open and I'm accepting new students right now for Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0. Let's get straight into it. You discover niche YouTube channels and why they're, in my opinion, the new wave of doing YouTube and one of the best ways to make money online. They don't require you to get behind a camera, show your face, or even record any videos. Niche channels are the new wave of YouTube, and right now is the time to get started doing this before it's too late. Now, does that mean that if you start doing this, you'll get 1 million subscribers overnight? No, the truth is I can't guarantee that you'll get results because I can't guarantee that you're going to take action with this information. What I can guarantee is that you're going to discover the same exact tactics that I use within my YouTube business and that all of my successful students have used. I truly believe that this is the best YouTube program on the entire market. In it, I share every last secret and show you step by step how to succeed on YouTube without leaving out anything. This is the best information that you're gonna find anywhere regarding doing this because you're gonna be discovering it from someone who actually runs 9 different channels. It's not a bunch of abstract theory, but rather an exact guide that reveals the right way of doing this. And I've been getting so many people reaching out to me and asking if I can help them with YouTube. And in the past, I've always had to say no because I straight up don't have enough time to help everyone. But I decided to stop being lazy, and I spent almost an entire year of my life making the first version of this program. Then I took on some beta students, got them some amazing results, and now I'm finally opening up the 2.0 version of this program completely updated before closing it soon. Now at this point, you're probably wondering what's all included in Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0. Well, here is exactly what you're gonna get. So here's what the members area will look like immediately after you buy, and as you can see, the first module of this program is a welcome to Tube Mastery and Monetization, and it includes a welcome lesson, how to join the private Facebook mastermind group so that you can ask me any questions that you have along the way, and I do my best to answer every single question every single day, and then I show you exactly how you can use this course. Module number 2 is an overview of this method. In it, I show an overview of this blueprint, exactly what you're going to be doing, some case studies of channels actually doing this, and I even give you a step-by-step checklist in which I'm going to walk you through and show you the time frame for doing this process. I'm going to actually show you through so it's as simple as going through, checking off things from a checklist so you know how long it takes on average to choose your niche, to start producing videos, and to start hopefully making money. Module number 3 is choosing a niche, and in this module, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can choose a niche. I give you an overview of choosing a niche, some different ways that you can go about YouTube, some different types of channels that you can run. I give you some of the best high CPM niches, and then I even give you a list of my favorite personal niches. So some niches that I think are the absolute best in this lesson. I also give you a list of profitable YouTube niches, over 100 profitable YouTube niches. And on top of that, I also give you a list of over 239 example niche channels in a variety of different niches so that you can find a niche channel in almost any niche you can imagine. Then I show you some niches to avoid, and I show you how to do market research. So if there's a niche that I didn't cover already, you can do market research to make sure that the niche that you're choosing, there's demand for it, and you have a chance of actually going viral in that niche. Module number 4 will be setting up your channel for success. I know a lot of people talk about optimizing your videos, but it's very important that we optimize our channels for success. That's exactly what I show you how to do. I show you an overview of doing this, how to create a Google account and make a channel the right way. A lot of people do this wrong. Then I give you some essential optimization settings so that you can simply go through here, see what you need to optimize, and I give you an exact bullet point list of the exact things you need to go into your channel and the settings that you need to implement. Then I show you how to make a logo and channel art super fast. I show you how to prevent your channel from getting hacked with security measures. This is a really important lesson. I also show you something called the 33 rule, and how to use suggestive video loops to go viral. And I show you one of the best YouTube tools ever made to make this process super fast. And in this lesson, I reveal my secret keyword process. Now, I personally think that this process alone is worth the entire price of this program. This is the exact process that I do on every single channel that I start, and you only have to do this process once per channel to make sure that it's as optimized as it possibly can be. I also show you how to implement this strategy going forward and how to plan your content strategy. And next up is module number 5, which is generating videos. In here, I show you an overview of generating videos. the anatomy that almost all of my own viral videos have followed. I show you how to systematize your videos. I even give you script templates for systematizing your videos and a tool that will allow you to map out your videos so you know exactly how you can systematize this process. I also show you how to write scripts, how to make sure that your scripts don't get sent for copyright. I show you how to record voiceovers the right way using free software. I show you where to find content for niche channels. I even give you a list of places to find content so you never have to worry about copyright. I go over free video editors, my favorite video editor. I show you how to make high click-through rate thumbnails the right way. And I even go over how to generate a video from start to finish and a complete walkthrough of generating an entire video. This lesson right here is probably worth the entire price of this program as well. I walk you through step by step exactly how to generate a video, and I do it with you, and you can look over my shoulder as I do it. And then I go over fair use on YouTube. I teach you how to be more productive with batching your content so you can be super productive and turn this into an absolute machine. I show you the recommended gear for doing this, how to generate videos using an automated software to really ramp up your production, and I show you how to make whiteboard animation videos if that's something you want to do as well. Next up is module number 6, which is uploading and optimizing videos. In this module, I go over an overview of uploading and optimizing videos. I show you how to upload videos in the initial optimization that you can do that literally only takes a couple minutes. And then I show you how to go in and optimize your videos properly. And to help with this, not only do I give you step-by-step instructions, but I also give you a checklist for optimizing your videos so you can simply check things off of a checklist and make sure your videos are optimized. I also go over how to schedule and publish your videos and how to make a content calendar and all the tools for simplifying this to save you time. Next up is module number 7, which is the growth module. And in this module, I show you an overview of growing your YouTube channel. And this is where I'm going to actually show you how to go viral on YouTube. I'm going to show you how to understand YouTube analytics and the algorithm in depth, exactly how to read it. I'm going to show you how to truly go viral on YouTube. There's so many myths and misconceptions out there. I break it down for you and show you exactly how to do it. And not only how to do it, but a guide and instructions for doing it as well. And then I show you the best time of day to upload your videos, another great tool for optimizing your channel. I show you how to run thumbnail split tests to get the highest click-through rate thumbnails, some giant mistakes that most people make, and how to avoid those mistakes. This lesson alone, I believe, will save you a ton of what would otherwise be wasted time, energy, and money. And then I show you how to use something called Google Cloud Vision for your thumbnails. This is a crazy hack. And then I show you an advanced card strategy so you can salvage views that you otherwise would be losing. Next up is module number 8, which is the monetization module. Now it's time to actually make some money from your channel. And in this module, I show you the different ways of making money on YouTube, how to make money with YouTube ads, how to increase your CPM, and all the secrets for doing this so you make the most amount of money from YouTube ads, how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube, how to sell digital products using YouTube. I even give you a list of some of the best affiliate networks that you can sign up for, how to sell merch, and how to manage YouTube channels and sell content creation yourself. And now it's time to get other people to make the videos for you. And that brings us into module number 9 of this program, which is the scaling and outsourcing module. And within this module, you're going to discover exactly how to outsource. I'm going to show you where to hire people from, even give you a bonus list of places to hire people from. I'm going to show you how to hire one person to do all of the content creation for your channel, even give you script templates for making job posts to hire that person. I'm going to show you how to make a video creation assembly line and give you job post templates for hiring each step of the process, which includes script writers, voiceover artists, video editors, and thumbnail designers. You can just copy paste these job post templates to hire people. I even walk you also through step-by-step instructions for hiring people, and I show you examples of me actually hiring people so that you can see this process. And then I show you how to outsource thumbnail creation very simply to get a ton of thumbnails made for cheap. And then I show you how much you should be paying for video creation. I give you a bonus cheat sheet as well as to how much you should be paying. So if you ever wonder how much should I pay my voiceover artist, how much should I pay this person or that person, I give you a cheat sheet on exactly how to do it. If you're just hiring one person to do all the content creation, I show you exactly how much you should pay. And if you were doing this on your own, you wouldn't know how much should I pay, how much is too much, how much is not enough. I break it down in that lesson. Then next, I show you how to manage your team very simply. A lot of people go way too complicated when it comes to managing your team. You want to make sure you do it simply, and I show you exactly how to do it, the tools for using it to systematize this process to be as simple as possible, which will save you time, save you money, and make sure your channel has the best chance of being profitable. Then I show you some outsourcing considerations, some things that a lot of people go wrong on. This alone will save you money if you're hiring other people, I believe. And then finally, I show you how to multiply your revenue with translation, making your channel translated into a bunch of different languages to multiply the money you're making. This is one of the lowest hanging fruits and one of the best ways to get some easy wins with your channel. And next up is module number 10, which contains some of your bonuses. And within module 10, you're gonna get a list of all of your different bonuses, how to access them. I put it all together for you on a spreadsheet so that you can access all of your different bonuses. I give you a list of all the software and tools that have been mentioned in Tube Mastery. I have that bonus lesson called Personal Brand Secrets, which goes over exactly how I grew my personal channel to over 180,000 subscribers, how I grew my Instagram to almost 250,000 subscribers in a short amount of time, how I make over $1 million a year from my personal channel, and exactly how I optimize my office right here step by step for increased efficiency and productivity. And then I also show you how to do this all from a phone. If you wanted to do this from a phone, it is possible, and I show you how to do it. And then finally, I go over business and taxes when it comes to YouTube. Now, just a disclaimer, I'm not a lawyer or a tax professional. This is not legal or tax advice, but I'm just gonna simply show you what I personally do just for entertainment purposes only. And yes, this is a lot different than any of the other courses that are out there. There's no abstract theory. It gets right to the point and shows you exactly what you have to do this correctly. It's more like a field guide that's going to show you every single secret, every single strategy, and every single technique that's working for me and all of my successful students, so that you can model it and get awesome results with niche channels. And also, I am going to be giving you a ton of free bonuses worth over $10,000 just as a welcome gift if you choose to join. If you know anything about me, you know that I always try to go over the top and give you as much value as possible, and I try to always over-deliver and make this a no-brainer. And I actually care about the results that my students get, and that's why I'm giving you these free bonuses when you join Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0 today. So here's the bonuses that you're gonna get. You're gonna get that step-by-step checklist which shows you exactly what to do and exact time frames for doing this. You're gonna get a list of 239 example niche channels. You're also going to get a list of over 100 plus profitable niches. You're going to get the private Facebook community that I'm in every single day answering all the questions. You're going to get a video ideas template. I'm going to give you script templates for video creation. I'm also going to give you a video creation assembly line template that you can import into a free software that's going to allow you to systematize this process. You're going to get my exact YouTube gear list, the exact camera that I use for my personal brand channel, the exact gear that I used when I did my niche channel content myself. I'm going to show you my recommended microphones, everything that you need for voiceovers, everything else. You can always do that from a phone as well, but I give you options so that you have it within this gear list. And I also show you all my personal brand gear as well, such as this microphone that I'm recording right now to record this with. I also give you a list that contains all the best places to get stock footage, music, and pictures completely royalty free. I give you a fair use checklist. You're also going to get a video optimization checklist so you can make sure your video is optimized and go through each of the different checks when it comes to the title, description, and tags, everything that you need to do. I give you a list of a bunch of different affiliate programs. You're going to get that list of places to hire people from, and you're also going to get job post templates for hiring people and script templates for each individual position. I'm going to even give you that how much to pay for video creation cheat sheet. You're going to get the list of recommended software and tools for doing this correctly, and I'm going to give you that bonus lesson called Personal Brand Secrets. I'm also going to show you how to do this from a phone. You're going to get that business and taxes bonus lesson, and you're also getting some bonus courses as well, such as a course called Tube Channel Case Studies, where I walk you through a ton of different niche channel case studies, and I break down exactly how they're making money, how they're generating their videos step by step, so that you know how you can potentially model these channels. I also give you a course called the Tube FAQ course, and in this course, I break down every one of the most frequently asked questions that I've ever been asked when it comes to doing this, so you can simply go in, hit the search button in your members area, search for something, and I very likely have a response for your question. But if you can't find the response there, you also get that private Facebook community community to ask whatever you want to ask. And last but not least, you also get a bonus course called Tube Secrets, which is a very simplified version of this program that you can always refer to if you get overwhelmed at any point. I really believe that all these bonuses that you're going to be getting are going to help you a ton. Niche YouTube channels, in my opinion, are the best way to start making money online. So if you'd like to start making money on YouTube without making videos, you can join Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0 for just one payment of $4.97. And if you don't have the money saved up right now, you can still hop on board with the payment plan that we got set up. But the way that I see it, this will not cost you anything, because this is an investment if you're serious about doing this. And eventually, I am going to be upping the price on this program to $2,000. That's really at least what this program is worth, in my opinion. I see so many people selling $5,000, $10,000 programs that don't nearly include as much value as I'm giving you right here. And I've bought some of these programs as well, and you don't even get access to the person who made it in the private community. I want you to have access to me. So this is an absolute steal, and in my opinion, an absolute no-brainer. So this is literally your last chance to get in at this price, and plus you're going to get all of the included bonuses as well. If you want to sign up, simply click the button below this video and you can sign up via credit card or PayPal. And then after you sign up, you'll get instant access to the members area. You'll get an email with your login information, and then also you'll receive all of your bonuses. Once you join, I'll be sending you an onboarding email with all the different links for all of this. And as soon as that's done, you'll be added to our secret Facebook mastermind group, which is a community of like-minded people who are actually doing this. If you want to join and you feel like this is right for you, simply click the button below this video and join Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0 for the cheapest this course will be, and get access to all the bonuses. Now, there's going to be a lot of people who want to join this program, and I've gotten so many messages from people, but this is going to be time sensitive. As much as I'd love to help everybody in the world do this, this offer is only going to be available to a select number of people. I want to be able to actually get your questions answered and help you along the way. And the only way that we can do that is if we limit the amount of people who can join. Once the countdown timer on this page hits 0, registration will be closed and you will not be able to join. And when I do open registration again, the price will be increased and you won't have access to all of these bonuses. This is a really rare opportunity, and I want to give you the option to help you with this the right way for sure. We have so many people on our early bird waitlist, over 240,000 people on Instagram, over 180,000 people on YouTube, and they've all been waiting for this launch. So if you're truly interested in making money with YouTube, you have to act soon before someone else takes your spot and changes their life using niche channels. If you feel like this is right for you, just click the button below this video and sign up for Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0. Thanks so much for watching, and I really look forward to working with you within the program.